everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2014 Subaru. We're installing 10.1 inches high definition navigation system on this car. So before we hop into all those features, I would like to let you know that this car comes with built-in GPS. It also supports all your Bluetooth system. It also supports the DVD here. As you will see, there was a DVD at the back here. So for example, if you have a CD, you're feel free to watch CDs as well. So now let's go into the built-in navigation system. So it's on the first here, we have already placed it. So the built-in navigation system is called the iGo one. This one doesn't require any hotspot or Wi-Fi for it, so it is going to be working all over in Canada and US as well. So as you can see it shows the location where we are right now. And then for you to plug in the address, you just have to click on this three dashes at the bottom right corner, click on new road, and then you just have to plug in your address and you're pretty much good to go. The second thing that this car comes with also are the multiple features and applications. So first of all, let's go through the Chrome and Google apps. So this Chrome is basically just like your search engine. So which means you can search anything you want. Like for example, if you want to search a destination where you want to go to see if it's open or not, you're feel free to do so. But this one requires either Wi-Fi, LTE, or hotspot, okay? And then the second thing it comes with also is the Google Maps. So this Google Maps, this one supports both offline mode and online mode. Yes, so when it means online mode, you need to use your LTE. But if you want to save your map as offline, you can do so. You just have to click on here, on the upper left corner. For example, you just have to put in your address and then click on offline maps. There will be given an option for that. So like for example, if you want to save it as offline maps, then yes, you can do so. Just click on that and then it will show up here. And then other than that, there are more features here as well, such as like VLC. So the VLC is basically like your video player. So for example, if you have a video in your USB that you want to plug in and play for it, you can do so as well. So plug in the USB under that glove box there. There will be a USB port provided for you. Plug in the USB, the movie will pop up here. So this is just a demo for us, okay? As you can see, the screen is pretty good. It's high definitions, you're able to see the screen texture and all other things.
Bad guy.
Okay. Other than that, it also supports the radio, the original radio of the
I'm
car.
John Devenish with the best of contemporary and classic tracks on Dinner Jazz from Jazz FM 91.
Okay, other than that, it also supports the Tubi or Netflix. So this one currently doesn't support the Netflix one because they don't have the new Netflix version for this. But instead of Netflix, we have put in the Tubi one. Tubi one also works as a Netflix. It also allows you to watch your movies from here as long as you have signed in, and that's it. Skip on here. And then you can sign into the account if you already have. If you don't have, you can make one. And then of course you can sign in and then watch all these fantastic movies here. So this one also supports the Bluetooth system. So for example, if you want to connect your Bluetooth phone through it, you're good to do that so as well. So you just have to click on this Bluetooth. You just have to connect your Bluetooth on here and then you can able to use the Bluetooth. You can also play music from there. You can call, you can dial, and then you can also synchronize all your contacts on here. But make sure to remember one thing, you can only connect one Bluetooth at one time. So you cannot connect both Bluetooth from the screen as well as from the car. So that's it. So if you guys have any questions about the system, feel free to ask us at AutoTecPro.com. If you want to purchase this fantastic item, you can do so from our website. It's www.autotecpro.com. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.